What's up, everybody? We are back with another video and another new 2026 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we're going to take a look at City Life. This is a pretty interesting set, I would say, because it's a little bit unusual. So we get kind of 5 new decos on these. What I mean by that, we'll get to that in a second. First of all, let's take a quick look at the packaging. And if we take a look at the bottom, you will see that we get 4 cars, or let's say 4 vehicles on wheels and 1 helicopter. So here on the side you see our models. We have 3 generic Matchbox castings: the Rescue Helicopter, the Ice Cream King, and the Chow Mobile II. And we have the Nissan NV van and the 2014 Ford Transit News van. And our cover model is the Ford News van. So let's take a look at these models. And we start from the bottom. So this is the 2014 Ford Transit News van, pretty old casting from 2015. As you can see, we have a small moving part here on top. Little satellite dish. So this one here comes in kind of orange with some news stuff on the side. As you can see, this one has a metal base. Body is plastic. And why I said this is interesting. So basically we've seen this deco before, but not with an orange base color. This was the other version here with the red satellite dish. And then in gray. And so you can see different base colors. We get also different colors on the metal base. And also the prints here on the side are a little bit different colors. And basically that is what they have done with all the other models. So let's put this one here in the parking lot. But we will see on the next one, it's a little bit different. So here's our food truck, the Chow Mobile II. So you can see this one is kind of a brown color. We get yellow tinted windows. And it's saying the original cheesy melt truck on the side. But you see basically nothing here. And what I mean by that is, if I show you the previous version, that was this one here in blue, and you can see we have our nice cheese sandwich. The thing is, we put these next to each other. The thing is, I guess if they had put this sandwich on the brown one, I think you hadn't seen all of the stuff. I think it would have looked weird on brown. So they just let it disappear, the cheese sandwich, and they, as you can see, focus, they moved this this cheesy melt logo. So it's not on the right like here. It's more in the middle and a little bit tilted. Yeah, so that's kind of interesting in my opinion. And that was the cheesy melt truck. By the way, from when is this guy? From 2020, so this one's so pretty new. This is another version. And we also had Uncle Abe's Island Barbecue, also pretty nice version of this casting. But I think these 2 cheesy melt trucks are kind of interesting because of the lost cheese sandwich. It's I don't know, it's something I like if they do stuff like this. So let's put our food truck in the parking lot as we take a look at the next one, the Nissan NV van. This is a casting from No, that's the wrong one. This is the Nissan NV van. There we go. In kind of a very dark purple. So this is kind of a van, tourist for tourist tours somewhere in Los Angeles. Tours and Adventures comes with a tow hitch, by the way. And this was the previous version. This one, as you can see, by the way, doesn't have an interior. Yeah, it's the same deco, but so they did change the colors, and I think it looks pretty different. I mean, of course, the base color from really bright to really dark, so they had to do some changes. And you can see we got these turquoise stars. I mean, here we have them in white. You can't see them barely. But on the other hand, the what's that? Yeah, it's the stuff here on the side. It's written in black. You can't nearly see it on the purple version. So yeah, that was the Nissan NV van. What else do we have? The Ice Cream King, which is from 2018, and the Nissan NV van was from also 2018. So yeah, there we go. So here is the Ice Cream King, and I think this is the only one, by the way, here in the back, our Nissan van with a metal body and a plastic base. All the other ones have a plastic body like this one here. You can see there is some golden flakes in this plastic. Interesting color. It's pretty hard to describe, to be honest. Somewhere between brown, red, and cream, I don't know, with some gold flakes in there. Yeah. Cones, shakes, and coat treats. Pretty nice. We've seen this deco before in pink. I still would say the pink version is the better version, but yeah. I mean, that is something I didn't like when I started diecast collecting Hot Wheels and Matchbox models. I mean, stuff like these food trucks. But in the meantime, I have to say I really like these. That, by the way, is another version of the Ice Cream King. Lemon juice. So yeah, there we go. And our last one is the helicopter, the rescue helicopter. Yeah, I don't know. That's something I have to say I'm not a huge fan of. This looks very, very basic, and I don't know. I wouldn't need it, but same thing here. We've seen this deco before. I think it was a lighter blue or with a white police printing. Whatever. Now we have this version. I already have four from when is this guy? From 2001, and got retooled in 2014. So a million versions out there so far, and yeah, I do have some of those, and yeah, these are all I think from multi-packs. Yeah. Wouldn't buy these normally. So yeah, that this 5-pack, by the way, was the last of 10 5-packs I bought for €5 each. So basically we will have, I guess, a little break with 5-packs here on this channel. And of course, on the end of every video, I'm picking a favorite. And I have to say, it's the cheesy melt truck with the lost cheese sandwich. And with that said, thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time.